Hey guys, with Valentine's Day just around the corner, Quinn and I thought it would be fun to do a heart hairstyle. So today we're doing a half-up heart ponytail. We're going to take a little bit of hair from each of the sides, bring it to the back, and make a cute little heart accent. And then we're going to add some curls to the bottom of the hair. We're excited to show you how to do this, so let's get started. Begin by brushing the hair on top of the head straight back and securing with clips. Next, divide out two sections of hair along each side of the head. Take the back section on each side and combine into a ponytail. Then take the right front section after making sure it is smooth. Reach under the ponytail with your left hand and grab the right section, bringing it over and behind the ponytail. While doing this, keep the right hand on top of the section, creating a gap to grab the tail of it and pull it back through. Secure that section in place while you repeat the same thing on the other side. Reach under the ponytail with your right hand, grab the left section, and bring it over and behind the ponytail. While doing this, keep the left hand on top of the section, creating a gap to grab the tail of it and pull it back through. To finish, combine the two sides of the heart together and secure with an elastic. Then curl the remainder of the hair that is down. And that's it, you're all done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much!